The Vccorlib140.dll missing message means your code instructions are interrupted. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and we're going to fix your runtime environment now. This DLL file is the Visual C 2015-2022 Core Runtime Library. It provides foundational C++ language extensions required by modern applications to run, managing memory allocation, and high-level program execution on PC. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. To ensure the file is correctly registered, reinstall Microsoft Visual C Redistributable. You'll need both the x86 and x64 Visual C++ installers from Microsoft's website to complete this repair properly. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize and unregistered the Vccorlib140 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Please be cautious of websites offering free downloads of the Vccorlib140.dll. These files are frequently the wrong version for your specific PC architecture and can introduce viruses into your sensitive system folders. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. A recommended diagnostic path for the Vccorlib140 management is outlined in the software resource linked below. If this diagnostic helped you resolve your Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.